Hunger never ends, and neither does the food business. But pizza? You don't even need to be hungry for that, just a craving is enough. They said the pizza market is saturated. They were wrong, because pizza never dies, it only evolves. One city, thousands of hungry people daily, and not a single brand that truly owns emotion, story, and convenience at the same time. That's where you walk in, not as another cook, but as a builder of systems. Every great pizza brand starts with one person who refused to stay ordinary. No big investors. No fancy marketing budget. Just obsession, storytelling, and consistency. That's why small local pizza shops often beat big franchises, because people remember faces, not logos. They remember the story behind every slice. If your pizza connects emotionally, you've already won half the market. Forget the huge restaurant dream. All you need is a 200 square foot kitchen, one skilled chef, and a clear concept. Focus on delivery and takeout. It's faster, cheaper, and scalable. Limit your menu to 4 signature flavors that define your identity. Because people don't want more choices. They want one thing done perfectly. Your startup cost? Between $4,000 and $6,000. If you buy new equipment, even less if you start lean with used ovens and local suppliers. You can begin under $3,000 and still serve professional-grade pizza. Hit 60 pizzas a day with $2 profit per pizza, and you're already at $3,600 a month. That's not theory, that's discipline in motion. Average profit margins? 50 to 60% if you control your ingredients and delivery costs. Upsell combo boxes, garlic bread, and drinks, that's where the money multiplies. Your real win isn't high sales, it's consistent repeat orders. Target the 15 to 35 age group, students, night workers, and families who live on quick comfort food. Use WhatsApp or Messenger for direct orders, Instagram for storytelling, and Google reviews for credibility. Forget traditional ads. Your brand's virality will come from emotion and speed. Anyone can bake a pizza. Very few can build a brand people crave, even when they're not hungry. If you want to power up your mind and discover new business ideas every day, subscribe to Think and Build and stay inspired.